is like abandoned. It's like the abandoned corner in Sears. Wait, are we in Sears? Isn't this place abandoned? Like a corner? Yeah. It's a tire. Oh my gosh. Shania Source Rex.
You're gonna die.
Say hi.
My necklace broke again.
Dude, put it in your pocket.
Fix it.
That's my car.
Which one?
Oh, I want that card too.
No.
Yeah.
No, I want it in gray.
Die Hard.
Get the fuck off here.
Fix my necklace.
What happened to it?
There's like a little opening right there.
Doing that.
You need, what's it called? One of those tools to tighten it.
No.
What if I just scream sex?
Don't
17.
do it. Don't do it. Thank you, Leo. Don't do it.
She's like the row.
She is.
Please come have sex with me. It's only $4. We did that earlier.
For $4?
$4 an hour. Like that's like $400 an hour. I'm that like no, it's 4 cents an hour. I'm just that freaking desperate. I need sex.
Oh my gosh, look.
I know. What is that? There's something about time. We gotta go.
We got to go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You have my hat, right?
Hey, this is so cool. Sorry.
The what?
Hey,
Oh, it's Aya.
my grandmother has this fridge, and it smells terrible.
That's nasty.
Like when it turns on, it smells like freaking llamas or something. Oh, like llamas. What do llamas smell like? Fridges. I think llamas smell like fridges or something. I mean,
Get away from Jose, please.
Llamas smell bad.
llamas, they do.